Let's talk about what I have right here. This is the MAXTOP fanny pack. This is the large one. So it does come with a medium 3-zipper. This is the large 4 zippers. And let me show you. It's really nice, weatherproof, so waterproof material right here. You've got your first zipper in there. You can hide in anything at all. Second zipper right here, bigger pouch, of course. And there is a third zipper right inside. So double pocket right there, phone, keys, what have you, everything can be there. And it's quite large, but it's super comfortable when you're wearing it, right? So I just showed you 3 zippers. You're saying, well, I thought I said 4 zippers, right? Well, there is a fourth zipper here. They call it the hidden pack or hidden zipper if you want to put some money, your passport, your wallet right there. All fits. Again, weatherproof. This is the crossbody fanny pack. You can wear it one side or the other side. It's very, very comfortable. You can wear it on your back. I rather have it in the front because usually we carry some things that are, valuable or that we want to keep close and keep an eye on. This is extremely convenient to travel with. Great for like an everyday bag for men or women. There's 36 different colors and styles that you can choose from. Clearly, this is the black. This is what we chose, but there is so many on the product page that you can choose from. It also has a little headphone jack kind of opening. So if you have wired headphones, you can have that while your phone is safely inside the pouch. Big fan of MaxTop.